Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and today we are here in Regent Heights by Pinnacle Homes, located in Barangay Poblacion, San Ignacio Street, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. If you are not yet familiar with San Jose del Monte, it is called a rising city. Pinakamalapit po ito sa Quezon City at Manila without using the North Luzon Expressway. So kahit hindi ka mag-NLEX, very accessible ka sa QC kasi ano lang to SM Fairview, di ba? Commonwealth, Fairview yan, Novaliches. Paano na yan? Quirino Highway, San Jose del Monte na yan, guys. Diyan yung kapag kagaling ka na SM Fairview ng Lago, tapos pupunta ka ng San Jose, madadaanan mo yung ginagawang MRT-7. Ang maganda sa San Jose del Monte na parte ng Bulacan, guys, is we don't have any history of flood here kahit during Ondoy. Kaya napakaganda ng location natin. Mataas siya, and at the same time, guys, marami tayong malls dito. We have SM and we have Star Mall. Tapos, mga private schools, private hospital. Kasi nga, rising city na siya. So, progressive na po siya. Okay? Just for your information. Kaya pinapasok na rin tayo ng malalaking developer. Katulad ng mga high-end developers, by the way. Katulad ng Ayala Land, Santa Lucia, at Rockwell. Did you know that? Now you know. So, ngayon guys, ito tayo ha. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Okay, so yan yung ating i-house tour today. It's a townhouse. Okay, yan. Yan yung kanyang exterior view. Alright, so ang tawag natin dyan, Alexa model. So Alexa model, it's a townhouse. Showing on the screen yung kanyang floor and lot area. Ayan, minimum lot 50. May corner naman tayo, pero paunahan lang pag sa corner. At yan, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, complete finished with a small carport provision. Diba? Complete finish na, ibig sabihin may tiles na naka-partition na. May kita nyo yung model niya, guys. Okay? Papakita ko sa inyo. At syempre, dahil along the highway at along the road ang location natin, one ride ka lang sa Quezon City at Manila. Ito ang pinaka-affordable pero pinakamalaki nating townhouse dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, na merong ready for occupancy at meron ding pre-selling. So, kung ikaw ay mas nagmamadaling lumipat or willing to wait, parehong meron tayong available blocks or slots for you dito, guys, sa Regent Heights. So, join me today! Oh my gosh, guys, the beautiful Alexa model townhouse. Ang maganda dito, elegant yung kulay. Hindi ka magdadalawang isip sa color niya kasi may mga iba ayaw nung masyadong colorful. Ang maganda dito, kahit townhouse siya, malaki, maluwag, elegant, premium yung location. Paano mo nasabing premium? Ayan po yung entrance gate. Yan na po yung main road. Main road na yan kasi diyan na dumadaan yung mga bus pa Quezon, pa Manila, via NLEX Marilao exit at pa Quezon City via Quirino Highway. Alright? So, napakaganda po ng ating location. Kahit tayo dito ay meron tayong river dito, pero ano yan, sobrang taas ng harang yan. Never yan umapaw or nagka-history ng flood. Kaya nga, gaya ng sabi ko, kahit Ondoy, wala pong history ng flood rito. Yun yung maganda sa ating location. So, ito, meron tayong small carport provision. Let's go inside. Pag tinurn over siya, steel door, meron kang parang hallway effect dito. At ang tiles natin ay 60 by 60 po ito, okay? 60 by 60, malaki yung floor area natin. Kasi nakita nyo naman, pagpasok pa lang natin, guys, kay Alexa Townhouse, di ba? May maluwag kang living space. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng partition for your dining. Kasi dito may dining ka. Kasyang-kasya, maluwag pa nga ang ating 6-seater dining table. Can you imagine, no? Kapag meron kang bisita dito, may kita nila na, wow, ang laki ng bahay mo, ang luwag. 'Di ba? Parang townhouse pero 65 square meter ang floor. Yung iba naming single attached, ganun din yung floor area. So imagine for a townhouse na 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, sobrang sulit yung kanyang floor area. Yung size niya. L-shaped kitchen over here. This one not included in the turnover. Only this part. And your spacious toilet and shower number 1. Ayan, no, napakaluwag niyan, guys. Meron kang service area, naka-partition na. Ipapa-roof mo na lang yan, ha? Naka-partition siya dyan. So, when we go to the second floor, tiles yung part na to ng stairs. And then dito is naka-wood steel handrail. Tapos, naka-partition na po yung ating 3 bedrooms. Naka-tiles na yung second floor. Mataas yung ceiling natin dito sa ating hallway. At yung 3 bedrooms mo, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, your second toilet and shower, your spacious hallway. So, let's go to the bedroom 1. Yan. So, kung ikaw ay maraming anak, up to family member of 6, pwedeng-pwede. Kasi kung meron kang 4 na anak, edi double deck, diba? So, pwede. Tas master's bedroom sa parents. Kung halimbawang less than 4 or konti lang yung anak mo, edi mas maganda kasi mas maluwag kayo. Ayan po yung ating bedroom 2. Napakaluwag. And here, your master's bedroom. Pwede ka magpa-customize ng closet over this side. May dalawang small window tayo dyan. Pwede dito ang double bed size or queen size bed. Pag queen size bed, isang na lang, side table. Kasi ito dalawang side table kasi double bed yung size. So, ganun siya. 'Di ba guys? Ang ganda at hindi mo na kailangan bumaba dahil meron kang dalawang toilet and shower sa second floor. Kaya kahit may senior citizen, pwedeng-pwede kasi may shower ka dito. May toilet ka dito, kung halimbawang yung senior mo dito, yung senior citizen, nakakwarto, at least, paggagamit siya ng CR, hindi na siya akyat panaog, hindi na siya akyat baba. May privacy pa siya. Nakikita nyo ba guys, yung kagandahan ng ating layout dito sa Regent Heights Alexa Model Townhouse? At magugulat kayo guys dahil sa laki ng townhouse na to at ganda, complete finish pa at premium ng location, ganito lang pala ang kanyang sample competition showing on the screen right now. Pag pre-selling yan guys, kung hindi ka nagmamadali pre-selling, ayan po yung ating sample computation. Kayang-kaya bank financing para mababa ang down payment. Kung gusto mo ng pag-ibig, okay lang, pero triplehin mo yung ida-down mo. Dahil mas malaki po ang required down payment pag pag-ibig. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, mag-bank ka na lang din. Pero kung kaya mo naman yung malaking down payment, edi pag-ibig ka. You just have to contact me for that. Pero kung halimbawa naman, gusto mo yung ready for occupancy, early moved in after 4 months. Ayan po siya guys. After 4 months, pwede na ba? Possible nang makalipat. Ayan yung ating sample computation. Minimal lang yung cash out at nakatayo na yung bahay. At syempre, meron ka pang freebies. Kapag pinopromote namin yung aming ready for occupancy, kaya bibigyan namin kayo ng freebies na 3 aircon. Okay? Okay ka na ba doon? 3 aircon? Diba? Ayaw mo pa? Sige, sa akin na lang yung 3 aircon mo. Hindi guys. Biro lang. Pero yan ang iyong freebie kung ready for occupancy ang iyong i-avail. Diba? Kayang-kaya, afford na afford. Kaya kung pasok ang iyong income, required salary, at kaya mo yung monthly na pinakita ko sa screen, alam mo ba kung ano yung next na dapat mong gawin kung pasok ang income mo at kayang-kaya mo yung ating computation? Just contact my Viber and WhatsApp number because strictly no walk-ins are allowed in here. Magpa-schedule ka sa akin ng tripping at least 1 to 2 days before guys. Okay? That's my Viber and WhatsApp number para kung kailangan ng sample computation. Pero syempre kung napanood mo to, ayan, kakita nyo naman guys, yun yung ating updated sample computation. Alright? If you have any other questions, just contact my Viber and WhatsApp. At syempre, kung gusto mo naman kontakin ako sa aking messenger, ayan yung aking Facebook messenger. Ayan po. May blue check yan, verified yan. Ako yan, wala nang iba pa. You can also follow me. Okay? Again, my name is Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. And I hope na sa taong to magkaroon ka na ng home investment para naman worth it ang iyong hard work, di ba guys? So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.